Hello and welcome back everyone to ITTI Computer World Nepal, and today we're going to be looking into the Lenovo Legion 7 2024. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a creative professional, this laptop is going to meet every single one of those needs. So let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, talking about the design of this laptop is made with premium aluminum, which makes the laptop very durable and light. The laptop is about 1.9 kilograms approximately. So this laptop is perfect for on-the-go work and gamers alike. Okay, now talking about the charger of this laptop comes with a 230-watt charger. Despite the slim profile of the Legion 7, this laptop does not compromise on connectivity. This laptop comes fitted with various ports like USB-C port or USB-A port, HDMI port, and also a SD card reader. Okay, now let's talk about the performance of this laptop. The Legion Slim 7 comes with an impressive new-gen Intel Core i9 or an AMD Ryzen 9 processor. It's also paired up with a 32GB DDR5 RAM, and it comes in a RTX 40 series graphics card. And with these combinations, you can ensure high quality gaming, high quality video editing, and anything you could possibly think of. This laptop comes with an advanced cooling system of dual fans, so you don't have to ever worry about overheating your laptop, and you can focus on your intense gaming sessions without worrying about the frame drops or even damaging the laptop in the future. Now let's talk about the astonishing display the Legion 7 Slim provides. This laptop comes with a 16-inch WQXGA 165Hz refresh rate display, and it is very impressive. Whether you're gaming or you're watching a movie or even doing color correction projects, the 100% sRGB visual in this laptop makes sure the whole process is very efficient, smooth, and beautiful. With Dolby Vision support and anti-glare coating, you can enjoy the lighting and the color of this laptop in any conditions. The fact that it has a very narrow bezel makes the viewing experience very immersive and good. Alright, to sum it up, the Lenovo Legion 7 Slim 2024 is an extremely impressive and powerful laptop, which is not just portable but extremely efficient for every single thing you can possibly do. Whether you're gonna work in home, or you're gonna take it to your school, or you're just gonna stream, or like anything you could possibly think of, you can do it in this laptop. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was informational for all of you. You can check out this laptop in the ITTI store, or you can just go to the website and pre-order this laptop. If you come to the stores, we can get you good offers and discounts and everything. The staff here is very good, and everyone's gonna be willing to help you out. See you again in the next video.